we will find out the first record from the table. Here is the table employee and the records are ID, name, salary, DOB and hiring. The first record of the table is have the ID 1, name Mohit, salary $5,000 and date of birth and salary. So let's write a query to find out the first record from the table. So use limit n minus 1 n. So we need one record, we use n, not n, m. So m here is number of record we want to fetch. So we need to fetch one record, or from where we need to fetch here first record. So n equal to 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the select star from employee order by ascending order. Rows are in ascending order, so is the first limit. Let's execute this query. So this is the first row from the top. Let's find out the third row from the top. So n minus 1, here use 3 minus 1 2. Let's execute this. Ajay is the third, so as fourth from the top, here is third. This is the query to find out the record from the top by using the limits. So thank you for watching my video. To find out the record from the top,